Cinderella has been left to clean the large amount of laundry. She has no free time and laments her unfortunate fate as she completes the laundry. Cinderella has always dreamt of being set free from the laundry chores. Especially on this particular day, she wants to join her friends at the ball. One day, the fairy godmother appears before Cinderella and grants her wish. Now her wish comes true, and she goes to the ball in her beautiful dress. At the ball, she meets the prince who asks for her hand in marriage. Cinderella accepts the proposal and looks forward to her happily ever after.
Salut Cinderella.
Mommy! Oh, sorry. Voila. Oh! It's been a long time, my dear. Now don't worry about that laundry anymore. You should have more cycles to make your laundry more convenient.
Oh my, all these new laundry cycles. That's exactly what I wished for. What did you do? This is a complete mess.
Now what did you need, Cinderella? I'm rather busy.
But what cycle setting do I use to get out these heavy ketchup stains?
Well, you shall wonder no more. With a simple touch, all of your laundry wishes shall come true. Now sit back and watch.
Oh dear, she will definitely look for me again. I should teach her how to get the useful tips and recommendations for the maintenance of the product, so she could deal with the minor problems own of home.
This was the problem all along, my dear. You've been using too much detergent, so it's taken you much longer to finish your cycle. Maintain your washer just like a brand new device. You should use this feature on a frequent basis.